Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the video series, car channel, whatever you want to call this. Figured we'd do just a really quick video because I've actually been curious myself. I've seen a lot of videos online with like exhaust notes for different cars, but I'm curious. I've got my microphone on the car right here, and I'm gonna get some raw audio clips because I do plan on doing an exhaust on this car at some point, so it maybe gets a little louder, and I'd like to compare the before and after and have a bit of a reference. So today, we are going to test out some microphone equipment and record the raw audio of a stock BMW 135i N55 variant. So yeah, hopefully it goes well, and we're gonna get a lukewarm start. It's not technically a cold start because I just got back to the house maybe 2.5 hours ago, so the car's been sitting, but I was driving today, so it's not technically a cold start. Maybe I get another clip at some point, but yeah, that's kind of the plan. Gonna try and do this before sunset. Also haven't shaved. And I got this like wind-blown hair because I was driving around today, but yeah, I'm gonna try and get this done before sunset, grab a couple of clips, some rolling through some of the gears so you guys can hear kind of the exhaust. And the setup here is pretty simple. It's just an H1N zoom recorder. I have like a wind muff on here before. In the past when I've done audio, I usually just run a line to the microphone, but the receiver is with me in the cabin of the car. This time I wanted to use the actual microphone itself, so we're gonna try that. And before I forget, if you are interested in learning how to properly set up automotive audio equipment, I have a video like that on my other channel, Apex Pixel. I'll leave everything down in the description, and it'll also be on the cards up here as well. So if you're interested in seeing like the full video on how to set up automotive audio for recording stuff, go check that out. All right, so let's do it. All right, yeah, in hindsight, I'm now realizing the car is definitely not cold. That was nowhere near as loud as it normally is in the morning when I started up. Maybe I'll do a raw sound clip at some point, and if I do, you'll see that in the video now, but otherwise, that's about it. So let's get on the road. All right, well, there you guys have it. By now, you guys have heard the audio from this car. This is completely stock. It does have a slight tune on it, but other than that, all of the exhaust is stock. So yeah, kind of curious to hear what you guys think down in the comments below. You guys, of course, have heard it before I have. I have yet to go to the computer and actually process the SD card, but yeah, sounds good from my ears sitting here in the driver's seat. So I can only imagine what it would sound like a couple inches from the exhaust tip. So yeah. Hopefully it's pretty good. That's pretty much all I've got for this video. Keeping these videos on this channel very simple, guys. So if you enjoyed it, definitely stick around. Subscribe if you're interested in seeing more. Go ahead and like the video because I think it helps me. Check out my other stuff at Apex Pixel on Instagram and here on YouTube as well. And that's all I've got for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Go for a drive, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Wow, I need gas.